And see if I can set this camera down and maybe we can see this. Got the wheel off the ground. I'm just gonna grab the top and the bottom of it at the 12 and the 6 o'clock. You're gonna see it just wobbles in and out and the rotor's moving with it, so it's not the wheel loose on the hub, it's the hub loose. It's the wheel bearings or the loosest I've ever seen. These are supposed to be run very tight. I've already seen the other side. I saw that they put the seal in the back of the hub in backwards. If you do that, you can't set what's called preload properly. You're going to set it loose no matter what. And even so, this one's set very loose. You can even see the front drive shaft as it goes in here at the CV wobbling in there. I mean, that is really bad. So what happens is the wheel's wobbling in there and it's tearing up the brake pads, which tear up the rotors. It's also damaging the bearings possibly. We're also worried about this ABS wheel speed sensor. The hub rides in there and the sensor reads the hub. It may have damaged it hitting it, throwing it off. It puts a lot of pressure wobbling on it. We see the ball joints torn up. It may have been hit with a hammer. These ball joints, I've already checked them, are extremely bad. This is not an OEM front drive shaft, although the work order does say new and it does have the OEM part number. This is aftermarket. Let's bring my drop light down there, see if that helps us. So I'll try and focus that. And I'll turn it, you can see that's, there we go, there you can see it there. That is not OEM, that is just some cheap aftermarket junk. So we're going to have to pull this hub apart and at least tighten it so we can do a road test. Not going to have very good brakes, but we've got all kinds of ABS lights going off on us and codes. It could just be from this. They don't like anything wrong and they start setting off codes, but I'm going to have to see if I can get this tightened up. But it's all going to have to be taken apart and rebuilt again. It's a mess. I don't know if it was negligence or something worse, but it's going to end up costing more money to fix what they've already fixed because they were so negligent in the way they put it together. Hopefully it's not going to be too bad. Anyway, I'm going to start pulling this hub apart.